Are you tired of juggling too many affiliate programs and feeling overwhelmed? Guess what? You're losing money right now because you're not managing them efficiently. In this video, I'm revealing the top secret strategies that top earners use to streamline their affiliate marketing and maximize their profits. Don't miss out. Your earnings depend on it. When you're managing multiple affiliate programs, it's easy to feel swamped. The key to avoiding overwhelm and maximizing your earnings is using a centralized platform or software to track all your affiliate activities. Imagine having one dashboard where you can see performance metrics, commissions, and traffic sources from all your programs. Sounds like a game changer, right? Affiliate dashboards are incredibly useful because they aggregate data from various affiliate networks into one place. This means you don't have to jump from one platform to another, trying to piece together fragments of information. Instead, you get a comprehensive overview that allows you to see how all your affiliates are performing at a glance. Streamlined reporting is a huge benefit of using these centralized tools. With all your data in one spot, you can easily generate reports that show which programs are the most profitable and which ones need more attention. This helps you identify trends and make informed decisions quickly, saving you time and boosting your overall efficiency. Plus, these tools often come with features that allow you to compare traffic sources, see which ones are driving the most conversions, and adjust your strategies accordingly. The ability to make data-driven decisions on the fly is invaluable in staying ahead of the competition. So, what tool or platform are you currently using to manage your affiliate programs? Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Struggling to succeed in affiliate marketing? Get real results with Passive Profits Blueprint, our free video training designed for newcomers. Learn to choose the right product, connect with your audience, and generate income efficiently. Stop wasting time on ineffective strategies. Visit DigMarketing101.com and start your journey to financial freedom today. Your success in affiliate marketing is just one click away. Act now. When managing multiple affiliate programs, effective communication is absolutely crucial. Building strong relationships with your affiliate managers and partners can significantly impact your success. It's not just about sending out emails, it's about creating genuine connections. Regularly check in with your affiliate managers to see how their end is doing. This can open up opportunities for you to get exclusive deals or better commission rates. Staying updated with program changes is another essential strategy. Affiliate programs are always evolving, and what worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. Make it a habit to stay informed about any updates or policy changes. This proactive approach helps you stay ahead of the curve and adjust your strategies as needed. Negotiation is another vital aspect. Don't be afraid to negotiate better terms with your affiliates. If you're driving significant traffic or conversions, leverage that for higher commissions or exclusive offers. Remember, the worst they can say is no, and you might be surprised at how often they're willing to accommodate a valuable partner. Utilizing communication tools and customer relationship management systems can streamline your processes immensely. These tools allow you to keep track of conversations, follow-ups, and key contacts, ensuring that nothing slips through the cracks. By having all your communication in one place, you can quickly refer back to past conversations and maintain a professional and organized approach. So, how are you currently managing your communication with your affiliate managers and partners? Do you have any favorite tools or strategies? Managing multiple affiliate programs can be overwhelming, but developing a structured workflow can make a world of difference. It's all about having a game plan and sticking to it. Let's discuss how you can prioritize tasks to stay on top of everything. Start by listing down all your affiliate programs and the specific tasks associated with each one. This could be anything from checking stats, updating links, or creating promotional content. Once you have everything in front of you, it becomes easier to prioritize. Focus on the high-impact tasks first, the ones that drive the most revenue or have the tightest deadlines. Setting specific times for checking and updating each program can keep you from feeling scattered. For example, allocate 30 minutes each morning for monitoring your stats and responding to any urgent emails. Then, set blocks of time throughout the week to dive deeper into each program, like creating new content or tweaking your promotional strategies. Automation tools are your best friend when it comes to handling repetitive tasks. Use tools that can schedule your posts, monitor your links, and even send out regular updates to your team. This frees up your time to focus on more strategic activities. Remember, the less manual work you have, the more you can concentrate on growing your affiliate income. Creating a daily or weekly schedule keeps you consistent and ensures nothing falls through the cracks. Use a planner or digital calendar to map out your tasks for the day or week and stick to it. Consistency is key to efficient management. So, how do you currently structure your workflow to manage multiple affiliate programs? Do you use any specific tools or strategies? Let me know in the comments.